Yes, my name is Douglas Shook. I'm from the United States, originally from North Carolina. I'm now living in the Philippines, and obviously I came to India because I wanted good quality medical care at an affordable price. And there's some difficulties, but the doctors are top notch. They speak perfect English, so there's never a problem communicating. So it's been a very positive experience in working with the doctors. Dr. Oberoi, the main surgeon, was very easy to communicate with and very professional in his interactions with me. So ultimately what matters is results, and I'm still a little early to tell you full details, but left hip is feeling great. Right hip is coming along pretty much as expected, I think. Just a little bit of stiffness, but each day is getting better. 3 weeks later, I'm walking with just a cane. I walked to the hospital today for my follow-up visit, so it's getting better.